How do you know whether you are being shadow banned by Instagram? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check whether you are being shadow banned in Instagram or not. Now before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump to my phone and let me show you how you can check whether you are shadow banned or not in Instagram. Let's go. Okay. So right, first of all, open up your Instagram account. So you're going to check whether you are being shadow banned or not. Go to bottom right, click on your profile picture. Go to top right, the three lines, which is the burger icon. And you scroll all the way down, you should be able to see help here. Click on help, click on support request, and then you can see any violations, just click on it. If there's no violation, everything is good here, so you're okay. Now you need to confirm a second thing as well. So now let's go to the second place you can check. Basically same place. You go to your profile, click on the three lines, scroll all the way down. Alright, you should be able to see help, privacy, center, account status. So check on account status, and then you can see here all is good. Green tick, green tick, green tick, green tick. If there's no green tick, that means it's not good. So you can see, you can check one by one. What does it mean? Right? All seems good. So this account, there's no issue. If there's any issue, the only way you can resolve this is to go to check with Instagram support. There's no easy way to do this. And don't message me because I'm not working with Instagram. But yes, the only way you can do it is to check with Instagram support, and hopefully they get back to you and get your account reinstated or remove some of these issues.